Credit repair is complex stuff. You've hired Chroma Credit Restoration because of our expertise and experience in getting questionable items removed from our clients' credit reports. And because we're good at it. Anyone can send a letter to the credit bureaus demanding they take action. But what happens when they don't? Through years of experience and testing, we've developed a proprietary system of dispute. Our secret sauce. It may look like madness, but what you're seeing is a deliberate, methodical process. A process that gets our clients results. In this section, you will find some of the dispute correspondence that we've sent on your behalf. When reviewing, you may notice spelling errors, weird spacing, bad fonts, angry words, or poor grammar. Don't worry, there is a method to our madness. Our goal is to throw the credit bureaus, collection agencies, and creditors off their game. Be patient, let our proven process run its course, and look forward to a better financial future.